You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this word, both in British English, because it is pronounced in the UK differently than it is in the US, in the United States. So let's break them both down, both pronunciations. British English pronunciation, northern, okay, northern. The R's are essentially silent in British English. Northern. Stress on the first syllable. Northern. Now, the Americans do pronounce the R's, or they mark them a bit more. So the American English pronunciation is as northern. 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 American English pronunciation, northern. British English, northern. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. I hope you did. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.